Welcome to Justin's Journals. Right, I'm going to show you, let's have a play with OBS. Let's open it up. So I'm going to click on OBS down here and we're going to have a play around with the software and see how it works. I've used this a few times and I've got all sorts of things open here, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to click on to, for example, select my phone and different bits and pieces. So let's delete everything first. Let's just select that, delete, yes. Select that, delete, yes. I'm going to select that one, delete, yes. That, delete, yes. Delete. It's upside down. Look at that. Why is it upside down? That's strange. Anyway, delete. Yes. Right. First thing we need to do, because we need to record the screen. So how are we going to do it? So first thing, we need a source, because it says here we don't need a source. So at the moment, I've got this screen here as my control screen. Anyway, the main media items are my iMac Pro. This is a 2018 model, and I've got a iPhone 14 plugged in here to my iMac Pro. So this screen up here doesn't really do anything. It's only what I'm using to control everything. And that's a Samsung curved monitor. So anyway, what I need to do now is I need to add a source. So let's add a source. So I click on the plus down here, and I need to add a source. So I need to, let's have a quick look, media source. Let's have a play around. Let's have a look, video capture device. Let's have a quick look. Now, is it that one? I've done this plenty of times before. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm sure it's that one down there, video capture device. So let's call that, let's have a look. So let's call that phone, because I've got the phone on the left hand side. Make source visible. Okay, let's have a quick look. So it's called that phone. That little screen has come up there. So let's now drop down, because it recognizes my phone. So I'm going to pick up the phone there. So it's picked it up. I've already got Cameo app open on my phone, and it's currently recording the screen. So do I want to record the screen? Let's have a look. It's using the screen. So let's have a look. It's come up like that. So it's actually recording what's shown on that screen, but I want to use it as a camera. So anyhow, let's have a look. So let's click OK on that. So that's wrong. So let's go back. Let's delete that. Yes. So that's if you want to record something going on the screen. That's how to record going on the screen. So if you're playing a game on your phone or something like that. So let's delete that one again. Let's try this again. Click on here. I want to video capture device. I'm going to call this my Samsung screen, which is this one here. Samsung. Oh, spelt it wrong. Samsung. OK, just click on OK, and it should come up on the list. So I've got Cameo camera. OK. Let's have a, oh, hang on, that's wrong. This is actually quite difficult, but I will get there in the end. Mac OS, let's try Mac OS screen capture. Let's just click on OK. Here we go. So I've clicked on the Mac OS screen capture and it's picked up the display. That's fantastic. So what I can do is I'm gonna now with this screen, I'm gonna now make this smaller, whoop, like this. and I'm going to bring that over to my other screen, like that. See, at the moment, if I look at this, see it's picking up this screen, and I can select it here, look. So if I go on here, I can select on this drop down what actual screen it's actually going to record on the background. So if I click on the Retina display, it shows that screen. And if I click on the screen I'm looking at now, it'll show this screen. So if I click OK, so that's fantastic. So now what's happening, you see, is everything that's showing up here on this screen is actually going to be recorded. So for example, if I bring up something on this screen, so let's bring up something, let's have a look, anything at all. So let's bring up DaVinci Resolve. So if I load this software up, it'll load up on the screen. There we go. And I'm actually going to, I can then record what's showing on the screen. See? It's loading up because it takes a while. It's a big piece of software. So there you go. There's the software all loaded up. I can click on a project, I think somehow. Anyway, this isn't exactly why I've. This isn't the point. So I'm going to click on new project down here. Whatever. There you go. Skip. I'm going to skip that. So that's the software here that I can actually record. See, it's actually shown on the screen down there. So now what I want to do is while I'm actually recording the screen down in this software down here, so I can click on start recording, you see, down there. I want my little face to appear on the screen down here. So if I click on down there, so if I go down to plus, let's have a look. So I think it is video capture device. If I just click OK and not call it anything, and I'm going to then select down and I'm going to call that my FaceTime camera that's in my laptop. So there you go, look, it's there, it's come up. I can now click OK on there and it's come up, you see, on this screen up here. So when it records, it's literally going to record, but it's going to go over everything. So I'm not going to be able to pick up what I'm showing here. But what I can do, look, if you notice, I can make the screen smaller. Ooh, like that. I can move it wherever I want. I can move it there, I can move it here, I can put it up there. The only thing to bear in mind is when you're actually recording like that, so I just click out the box, that's where I'm going to have it, it's the final destination. If I do this in the image, like an arrow pointing at the camera, you have to remember, or up, or down, left. See, left is actually going right, and right is actually going left. So anyway, that's small things. So what I can do is I can then, let's have a look. So let's see if I can get another screen up, just for a bit of fun. And let's see if I can get my actual iPhone up here to work. So I can record what's over there on the sofa at the same time, if someone's sat over there. So new capture device, let's call that 2, I won't name it. And I'm going to select my iPhone and see if that works. Was it Cameo Camera? Might be Cameo Camera. Click on there, click on OK. Let's have a look. Let's turn the iPhone on. Let's do that first. Let's have a look. Do you know, it's actually quite complicated, the camera bit. Select this device in Cameo Studio to use its video. Currently inactive. So I've clicked on it. Let's have a look. So that's device 2, and then let's have a look at the settings. Let's have a quick look. Down here, why isn't it showing? Let's have a look. If I go down to iPhone and see how that works. No, because when I go to the iPhone, it's actually showing the screen. So that won't work, because that's actually recording the screen. But what I want to do is I definitely want to use the hang on, cancel. Go back up to the phone, click on settings, and I want the Cameo Camera, because that's the Cameo Camera that I've got the app that I've actually got loaded on the phone. So let's have a quick look, guys, and see if I can fix that now, and see if I can get it to work. Let's see if I can rest this somewhere without it falling over. Boop. Let's try and focus somewhere, get it to focus. Let's see if I can lean it against something, because at the moment my iPad's going to fall over. So let's lean it against my thing, and let's get my phone and see why that's not working. So let's have a quick look. So it says connect Cameo Studio. Click the plus icon in Cameo Studio on your computer and scan the QR code. Where is the QR code? So it says OK. So it says click on the plus. Where is the QR code? Capture card device, browser, image, client, group, capture. Let's have a look at, what does all that do? Camera. Okay. Nothing. It's doing nothing. I might need to actually Google that part. Let me just see if I can Google it while we're on this video call now. So let's have a quick look. So the software I'm in now is OBS. So let's have a quick look and see if I can Google OBS Connect Cameo Studio. How to read Cameo OBS. Scenes. To add your Cameo picture as a camera overlay, just select overlays, new camera. Hang on, let's have a quick look. The funny thing is sometimes it's actually easier to watch a YouTube video about it than let's have a quick look. Let's look at this YouTube video and see if it tells me how to.
Hey there, YouTube friends. A little while ago, our collective wisdom asked about how to put the Camo feed into OBS. So Camo, if you're not familiar, is an app that is useful for, I just need to find it, allowing you to use your iPhone. So I've got my iPhone over here.
Perfect.
To the side. You can use it.
That's what I need to do.
Use that as a camera inside of things like OBS or your ScreenFlow, like I'm recording now. I could be using this camera instead of my webcam. And then you can also, what's nice about it is you can switch from, say, the wide camera angle view to the ultra wide camera view.
Oh, but this is the Incubate Camo. How do I just use the app? I just want the app. Smartphone camera. Camo. That's it. Camo QR code. Let's see if I can find that. Where's the QR code? Let's see if I can find out where that is. How to connect Cameo to OBS. Oh, here we go. Look for the source panel. Let's try it again. Let's do this. So, look for the source panel. Click on the plus symbol. Click on video capture device. Right, so I need to, let's just switch my phone back, and my phone is working. So click on plus, click on video capture device. Video capture device, got it. Yes. Name it, which is, I'll just call it capture device 2. Click OK. Right, and then in the drop down, in the device drop down, select it OK. Device drop down, Cameo camera. What's OBS virtual camera? That's nothing, is it? Cameo camera. And then OK, so I've selected it. Now what? then why isn't it coming on? Because I've got OBS open on there. So let's have a look. Where's the scanning app? I need to find out where is the Q code? Where is the QR code? Where's the Q card code on OBS? Where is the Q code on OBS to link? To link to another device. Do you know, it makes it so easy, doesn't it, when you read the instructions? But sometimes it is more difficult than you think it is.
Super Clever Tech helps you find their best ski holiday deals from over 3 sorts. So
We'll try and skip this and then find out where it actually is.
Your stream. If you have an iPhone or an Android, the camera on these devices are amazing.
Let's try and skip on. Let's try and find the bit that I actually need.
Link. This is going to now give you a guest invite link. This is the link that you're going to send to your phone, text it, email.
So where do we get it from? Let's go back. Let's go back. There we go.
You want to open up your browser. You're going to come to vdo.ninja, and I'll put the link in the description of this video. Once you're here on the website, you're going to come to the right-hand side and select Create Reusable Invite. Once you select that, it's going to give you a pop-up window just like this.
I think it's a bit more complicated using OBS than I think it is to use the iPhone at the moment. I think I need to do a bit more research. I'm sure I've made it work before though. Hang on, let's click on that there and right click on that. Let's have a look. Enable preview, lock preview, full screen projector. Just having a look at the different options on the drop down here. Add. Remove or hide, resize, blending mode. Oh, no. Let's have a look. Do you know, the funny thing is, I actually think I've made this work before, but I've obviously forgotten how to do it. But anyhow, what I will do is I will stop doing this now, because I could spend all evening doing this and we won't get anywhere. So what I'm going to do is leave this for now, and I'm going to do a bit more research. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete that. Delete that. So basically what we've got here, guys, I'm going to click on record, because what I can show you here, look, is as I've got our screen. So, and what I can do is I can, for example, get this, hang on, and I can resize it. Ooh, ooh. There you go, to fit into my screen, like so. And then because obviously I've got a big wide screen. I've got a big monitor. And then I've got this one here, and then all I do, once I've fiddled around with it, is I can start record. So let's give this a go. Hey guys, I'm just recording. I'm just showing you what's on my screen over here. This is really good. And anyway, once I've done what I want to do over here, and I'm talking to you over here, and I'm looking through my camera like this, I can then stop recording. Then once I've recorded, let's close that down. Let's move this back over to there. Like that. By clicking on these, I can turn off the screens. And so now that has actually recorded what I've just done in OBS. So in order to find the file that I've just recorded, what I would need to do now is go up to here and go show recordings. Go up to here, the latest one, which is up here. Today at 2041. Move this over to here so we can watch it. And let's push play. Hey guys, I'm just recording. I'm just showing you what's on my screen over here. This is really good. And anyway, once I've done what I want to do over here, and I'm talking to you over here, and I'm looking through my camera like this, I can then stop recording. I hope that's fun. I hope that's given us enough information for today. I just need to figure out how to link my phone as a camera to go over there. I know how to do it without using OBS, but I don't know how to get it to pop up in this software. Anyway, if you like this, send any comments. If you want to learn any more, then let me know and I will do another video.